everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have one of my mani box. I think this one is actually meant to be for July. I realized when I got this box and then I looked at the previous box, they both said July on them. So like this is the one I just received, and then this is the one, I think this one was supposed to be June. So when you do watch this video, you'll see that they both say July, and I have the other one to post as well. So I'm thinking this is the June box and this is the July. I think there was just a little mix up. But anyways, so we're gonna get into what is in this month's my mani box for July 2020, and this one is called Summer Fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into what's inside. Alright, so opening up the box, we've got our little paper that kind of tells you what's inside this month's box. It tells you where to find them. So we're going to go ahead and see what's inside. So it looks like we've got a bunch of nail polish, and then I think this is probably stamping plates. So let's see, let's start with the blue one. I'm just going to open this up. Sorry, my nails are kind of not great, but this is actually the polish from last month. I haven't got a chance to redo them yet, but I am hopefully going to redo them soon. I'm going to be doing my nails a lot in September because I think I'm going to join in 2 challenges. If you follow me, if you follow me for a while, I usually do the 31-day challenge every September. A lot of people do it. So I usually join in that one, and then there's also always a glam nails challenge. If you're following me on Instagram at Allie's blog, you'll always see that I usually do that challenge every month. I haven't done it for August because I've been a little bit busy, but I think I'm going to join in both. We'll see how it goes, because usually the September challenge gets a little bit crazy because you're literally doing a design every day, but I usually like doing it, so we will see how it goes. But anyways, definitely follow me on Instagram, because there probably won't be a video up here every day because that's a lot to try and do. But here is what we have in this box. So this is from Miss Sparkle. It's a handmade nail polish. This one is called Explore Sparkles Collection. This looks really, really nice. It's got like a bunch of different like flaky kind of glitters and just like regular glitter. And I like the color. Oh, I'm excited for this one. So that is the first one. So this one is, I'm guessing this is a extra gift polish because I'm not seeing it actually on the list here. So this one is, I think, $10. Like I said, you don't normally pay like what each amount is, but yeah, I think it's a gift polish from Ebates. So let's see what's in this one. I'm thinking this is probably Hit the Bottle, because I always know they have like this paper that they usually use. Ooh, this is nice. So this is Hit the Bottle, and this one is Together in Electric Dreams. And this one is usually $8 American. You could have got this one, or you could have got one called Party All the Time, but I really like this color. It's really nice. Kind of show you what it looks like a little bit. I don't actually have a stamping polish this color, and I love Hit the Bottle, so I'm excited about that one. Alright, let's see what is in the other one. Again, another polish. So I think this is the Wicked one. I can get the bubble wrap off here. Alright, ooh, this one is pretty too. So yeah, this is the Wicked polish, and this one is called Hot Little Honey Shot. And it's also kind of got some turquoise glitter in there. So this one is $11 American if you buy it from the Ebates site. You could have got this one, or you could have got Booty Call 101. Funny names today. But yeah, that's really, really pretty as also. I'm excited. You can see a lot of different stuff going on in there. Nice. So that's 3 polishes for this box. And let's see what we've got in the stamping plate package. So we got 2 stamping plates. Alright, so you could have got an option of 3 different ones. The Emit stamping plate, which I think is this one, is $9.99, or you can get the extra large animal one, which looks like I got, or you could get, if you had, there is an option for picking shorter nails or longer nails. I usually pick the longer nails one. So the shorter nails was the Trend Hunter 19 stamping plate. I usually just go with the longer one. So let's see what these look like. So this is a special edition one. It's Amit and MYL. I'm not really sure about that one. I'll have to look up. It looks like it's a collab maybe, but that is pretty cool. Very different designs on there. Neat. So this one is a 08. And this is obviously from Movie London. So it's also got a little art on that. Oh, I'll have to check out. This is, I don't think I'm actually following them. I might be, but I will have to check them out because that's really cool that they did. It looks like it is a collab plate. If you're following them, check out. I don't know. I haven't been. I don't know. I don't think I'm following them, but I will have to check out and see what they did for their collab because that's awesome. I would love to do a collab with Movie London. Alright, and the next one here is the animal stamping plate. This one is Nala. And this is what this one looks like. And this is number 18. I think this is kind of like Lion King inspired because it's got Hakuna Matata and it says Stay Wild and all the different animal prints, which is going to come in handy for the 31-day challenge. And that is what the back looks like. So pretty cool. But yeah, that is everything in my month, my July, my Manny box. If you aren't following me, please ring the bell and you can see every time I upload a new video. And also subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 3,000, which would be awesome if I could get to that on YouTube. And also check me out on my Instagram as well. I am going to try and be more active on there. And yeah, definitely check that out because I definitely post different things on my Instagram than I do on here sometimes. So check them both out. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.